Welcome, scalpers. Reece Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com. I'm going to find some trades for you to take this morning with the Ultimate AI indicator, and we also have the back door, which has been doing brilliantly this morning. So far, I just took two quick scalps for 300 some dollars, and let's see what else we can find.
Order filled. Tart stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
So I made a little money on the first one, barely, and got taken out on the second one. Now I'm down to 155, so I cut me in half, but I still think I can make money off this. Possibly. I may get back in.
Order submit. Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, got in for a tick or two. Still lost money on that trade. That's all right. There will be plenty of more trades still up for the day. For those of you who say, oh, you never lose, well, I just did. Got a small green, possible breakout of the previous candle's high. I will take that if it happens. This is a large candle. I'll move it down here because now I have
Order filled.
two signals for this breakout right here.
Target filled. Stop filled.
Okay, I will probably get in again.
Order filled.
This is my super tight stop ATM for NQ.
Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Now I'll get stopped out quick, but it'll get me into a break-even situation because NQ moves so quickly. And you see how I got in several times on the signals because I did get taken out, but I'd rather get taken out um, quickly than have a loss, another loss to deal with, or more losses. So, okay, building back up to 10 right now, changing, taking just small contract size trades to be more in line with many of my traders.
Order filled.
So I did get a pullback and I did get stopped out, but I'm gonna
Stop filled.
but I got back in because NQ moves so rapidly. I may get stopped out a bunch of times with this ATM, but it keeps me in nice and tight. I had a loss. Now I'm back up. And you can get in multiple times on the same signal if you get stopped out. Right, I'm not going to do any, I'm not going to get back in again because it already traveled quite a distance here. And then they'll probably get a pullback, but now I'm back up better than I was after the loss. So I can build my account back up here. Yes, I do have losses. Here's a an arrow, large AI. I may take a buy at the
Order submitted.
breakout. If it breaks out of the signal candle high over here. This is a pretty big candle here, so it may not happen, and that's fine, but I'll just be ready for it if it does. This magenta already made me money on the breakout here. So I really don't care about it. And I don't need it anymore for anything unless I'm going to take a breakout up here. See how it was taken out? So what? A lot of traders don't understand that. It already made me money. I don't really need to see it anymore. There is another trade on it up here. Didn't happen. Didn't lose any money on it. I already made money on this. Made money on this as well. Now I just changed the backdoor settings to more aggressive. And of course I missed this one right here doing that and chatting and stuff, but so what? I'll wait for another trade. If I switch now to the 1 minute NQ, and I have an inside bar right now, I could take a breakout of this right here.
Order canceled.
I'm going to get rid of that. Well, let's see what happens. I'm going to manually put an order in if I break out through here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, we did get an entry right here. I might get in
Order.
again.
Stop filled.
Okay, good. See how quickly that moves when it breaks this line? That's why that ATM works out really good for me. Now I'm up almost $600. So this is the 1 minute. Now let's see what's going on the 5 minute. Look at this wick. All right, I'm switching back to the 1 minute. There was a nice trade here I missed because I was on the 5 minute. Another nice trade here. Missed because I was on the 5 minute. Perfect setups here this morning. Just perfect. Perfect. Right back on the 1 minute, and this is a possible entry here if I get a breakout. Had a really nice down move with 1, 2, 3 signals working. There's a signal right
Order
here.
filled.
Let's see if I get a little scalp on that.
Stop filled.
Okay, I love when that happens. And up 800 for the day so far. And see how it pulls back? I sometimes get in again, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to take it, wait for another signal. If I got in again, it would have been even more profit. So how many signals here? Backdoor. We have this arrow, backdoor arrow breaking the previous high. We have ultimate AI breaking the previous high. All these signals beautifully working today. This is a breakout of the signal candle.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
That's the breakout of this Ultimate AI signal candle. It did work for a little bit.
Stop filled.
Okay, my stop was filled at break even and a tick or two before it took off. Still 820. See how it's going and coming back, going and coming back, going and coming back. That's why my ATM for the NQ brings my stop up really quickly, and I'll take it several times before it takes off on a lot of occasions. I'm not going to get back into it now. This is the 1 minute. Things move really quickly. I'll just wait for another signal.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, here's a nice 1 minute trade. Multiple signals on this 1 minute trade. It's pulling back from this nice uptrend, and I'm almost at $1,000. You've seen every trade I've taken today, losses and gains. So I may be done after this. I do have Ultimate AI, which worked on the breakout of the previous. I, I think we have a strong uptrend, so I'm not going to take the breakout of the signal candle, which actually is happening right now and would have been a really nice trade. I can't foresee that what's going to happen in the future all the time, so I do think we're going to have more upside, so I may take a backdoor if that happens, but this turned out to be a really good trade and I missed it. Anyway, probably done for the day because I'm right around $1,000 and now kicking myself I didn't take the breakout of the Ultimate AI or its secondary arrow. There's two arrows here and the beautiful back door. Just spectacular. Just great signals today. And you see me take every trade that I've taken.
Order filled.
Got in late on this back door right here and breakout of the previous high.
Stop filled.
It's a great signal right here I missed. Got in late on this one. Probably lost $5.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Got back in again and I'm almost at 1,000. Should I get back in again and just break the 1,000?
Order filled. Stop filled.
All right, I'm up 1,100. I'm done for the day. You've seen every trade I've taken. I didn't take every trade. Got any questions? Shoot me a text message. I give you a bunch of ways to get a hold of me. There's trials. Check it out.